Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. We are going to get into some of the effects from the new Kendrick Lamar N95 video. So let's get into it. All right, we're gonna start off with the font that he used. And so let's go over here to the title section and let's get a basic title. You just type in basic. And we're gonna start off with this basic title right here. And now that we got that, we wanna go in all caps just like they did. So select all caps on your keyboard. And we're gonna go to Helvetica Neue, if that's how you pronounce it, but we're just gonna go to that. And we're gonna go to bold. So you see as we type, it's kind of looking like it. We just need to make the font size bigger. So go to the size and put it up to about, I'd say 132. And then we're gonna change the face of it to red. Like this. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the title and we're gonna hold Option and just drag up, and it's gonna make a duplicate of that one. And we're gonna do that about 4 or 5 times. Let's do 5. 3, 4, 5. All right, now that we have those, we can spread these out just like they did in the video. And you can take your time and make sure everyone is exactly perfect like you want it. But yeah, this is basically the effect, and the font is right here. Just remember to put it in bold and increase the size, and you have the font that they used in Kendrick Lamar's video. Now let's move on to the next effect. Okay, now we're gonna get into the censored eye effect that they used in Kendrick Lamar's video as well. So you are going to come over here to the effects tab and you're gonna type in Censor, and you're gonna drag that on your clip. After you drag that on your clip, and you want to just move it around, move it up on the y-axis to see where you actually want to put it. You can boost it up a bit if you like. Just move it to your liking. Let's play it back. You see how they show a little bit of the eyes at the end? We're gonna track this. So we're gonna add keyframes. Add keyframes. And you're gonna go frame by frame, so you can match wherever his eyes are going. go wherever his eyes go. Now we should have a clean clip of his censored eyes. Now let's move on to the next effect. For this next effect, it is very simple. It's kind of like a zooming out effect, like a panning out effect. So we're gonna add keyframes to our scale and position, and we're gonna start up close to his face. All right, and then we're gonna go all the way to the end of the clip and zoom out to about 106. And let's see how that looks. That's a nice effect right there. He uses this a lot throughout his new video, so you guys go check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing, like the video if this helped you, and comment below what effects you would want to see in the next video. All right, guys, have a great day. Thank you.